Some say there's a stigma surrounding receiving an eviction notice and being ordered to eviction court. For many, the lack of legal counsel sways them away from ever stepping foot inside a courtroom to vouch for themselves. But not showing up could also mean you'll have a tougher time finding a place to call home.
We're here to say that there is always hope, even if not where you are, where we can help you get.
For some, affordable housing has become more scarce and even less affordable. But Lexington officials say there is help, especially when it comes to those facing eviction.
The landlord wants to get paid. The landlord doesn't want to put you out. It's expensive for a landlord to turn over a unit and to file for an eviction and pay court costs. And so even when that relationship has broken down, it's important to continue to communicate with the landlord, to communicate with the court and show up for the hearing.
But some tenants are discouraged the minute they see an eviction notice, mandating they show up in eviction court. They say the stigma can be too much to bear, and rather than show up, they skip out. One judge says that actually hurts you more in the long run.
Obviously the city has just approved where you're going to have some access to counsel so that you don't feel that you're going into the lion's den alone. There'll be someone standing there for you. And it doesn't mean that you're going to necessarily get to stay in your home, but the city would be able to help you move into a new home. Not have a judgment on your record, because having a judgment on your record doesn't help the landlord, and it most definitely does not help you.
Recently, Lexington expanded its housing stabilization program, which would help tenants with mediation with landlords and legal counsel, something Legal Aid of the Bluegrass says is crucial when moving forward.
Trying to communicate with the landlord as much as possible to either get on a payment plan or trying to get ahead of that eviction action before the landlord gives them that notice.
Now, Legal Aid also says that if your landlord is not making necessary repairs to your apartment, you should not keep your rent payment, but rather get in contact with someone from their office for legal counsel. For now, Anna Medina, ABC 36 on your side.